Hey kids, today we are going to watch a video and then answer a few questions. After watching the video keeping games fun and friendly, you have to answer the questions given over here. So let's watch the video. Now all of you watch the video. Now let's see what are the questions given to us. What interactions do you notice in the video? Who talks to whom? What do they say? I noticed that Sabrina and Tia talk to each other about their homework, how to escape the maze, how annoying Cody was, watching out for the night, how to get to the final castle. Cody and Sabrina talk to each other after Cody shoots her lightning. Cody calls her a noob and says, "What's the magic word?" Sabrina tells him he's going to get blocked for being a griefer. Now let's take the next question. Overall, would you say that the social interactions were mostly fun and positive or mostly negative? Justify your answer. Overall, I feel that the interaction or the social interaction between Sabrina and Tia was mostly positive. Students should refer to Sabrina and Tia's interactions. But I would also say that the social interaction between Sabrina and Cody was mostly negative. Students should never take reference from Sabrina and Cody.